Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by preparing your Android device for Google Drive offline use. Ensure your device runs Android 6, 0 or newer, and has the Drive app updated. Sign in to the Google account you plan to use for Drive offline access. Connect to Wi-Fi so initial file downloads do not use cellular data. Verify you have enough free storage on the device for the files you want offline, for example 50 MB or more. Keep the battery charged or plug in during the first sync for reliability. Open the Google Drive app and navigate to the file or folder you want offline. Tap the 3 vertical dots next to a file and select Make Available Offline. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, also enable offline in the Docs app settings. Offline access supports PDFs, common media files, and Microsoft Office formats. Files will download while you are on Wi-Fi and then remain accessible and editable without internet access. Check the offline section in Drive to view all available offline. You can open and edit offline files directly in their native apps on Android. Edits you make offline will queue and sync automatically when you reconnect to the internet. If a file fails to download or sync, check that you have sufficient free storage and at least the combined file size available. Try toggling Make Available Offline off and on to force a re-download. Keep the Drive and Docs apps updated to avoid compatibility issues and restart your device if syncing remains stalled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.